How to create an account on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you can see the option for register. You want to register account, right? Click on register. After you click on register, tap on continue. Again, click on continue. If you want Zangi app to access to your contacts, then click on OK. Now write down your name and your last name. After you fill up the details, click on continue. Now create a password so that no one can steal it. Again, confirm your password. Now click on continue. So as you guys can see, Zangi number has been created. That's your username. Just copy it or save it somewhere else to log in into your account. Now click on continue. And that's it guys. That's how we gonna create account on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.